Do you want to know how you can record your video call on WhatsApp? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One2Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can record your video call on WhatsApp. Go ahead and install any video recorder, or if you are using your Samsung or any Android device, there might be a default recorder. You can see screen recorder is over here. You can tap on it and then your screen will start recording. Now go ahead and call a person, and after the call has been received, you can see that your video has been enabled. Now you can cancel it, or you can just start the video call, and you must notice that your video has been started to record. Now you can use it for later purposes, and you can get more information about it after you go to WhatsApp page and search for video record in WhatsApp. So this is how you record a video call on WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.